potato in your home garden, either into the grow bag or the pot, on your terrace or into balcony. Then today we have prepared a video on growing potato into the grow bags. So to know everything, please stay connected to the video till the end. Hello friends, welcome again to my channel Organic and Hydroponic Urban Grow Pro. Friends, today in this video we are going to discuss in detail about growing potato into the grow bags or the pot. In this video, I will discuss all about how to prepare your grow bag for getting the good potato yield, and will demonstrate this procedure for sowing the potato. Now potato can be grown from its all season tuber, but before sowing this we must sprout the potato for the sowing. If we don't sprout, it may get chance that our potato may get rot and fail. So we have done this activity. You can do this activity simply by giving a light moisture and keep it in a without light place, and then potato will sprout. Now here you can see the potato is sprouted. I will show you from the near. So these are the potato we have already sprouted. Now you can see that on each potato many sprouts are there, and this is the advantage of pre-sprouting the potato. Here if you can count, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 are the big sprout, and then 1, 2, 3. 3 are the small sprout. So in a short, we are getting around 10 to 11 sprout on a potato. More the number of sprout, more the stem, more the chance of setting the potato. So this will increase our yield a lot. So we must sprout all the potato before sowing into the soil. And this is very necessary step to get the good yield. Now, after the sprouting, before the sowing, we must prepare the soil so that potato get nourished well. Now potato is a high feeder, so we must ensure the enough of the nutrition we should add to our grow bags so that potato will grow or thrive well. Here we are adding 4 to 5 types of nutrition, and in the further part of the video I am going to demonstrate you what we are going to put in and what percentage or what amount we need to put in. Once we prepare the bags, then we need to sow the potato. But before sowing, we must treat the potato seed with the funguses. Now here we have selected Trichoderma and Pseudomonas. So one is going to protect it from the rotting, and another is going to protect it from the another pest attack. So simple way, we need to sprinkle this powder on this potato lightly, so the fungus spore will stick to it and start growing with the potato and protect the potato. So it's a simple way we are treating this all the potato. So these are the potato which we are treated. We need to cover it properly. So we will do this like this, and then the potato is now ready for the sowing. So first we will see how to prepare the media, and then we will see the demo of sowing the potato. So friends, these are the grow bags where we are going to grow our potato. We have just removed the elephant foot yam from these grow bags. Now potato require a lot of manure. So what we are going to do first is going to add some manure into these bags so that potato get nourished well. Now for that we have choose 4 to 5 type of fertilizer, in which we are going to put a Prom, then the Biopotash, then Neem cake. We are also going to put some of the rock phosphate powder and gypsum into these bags. Now the proportion we are going to maintain is, every bag we are going to put around 40 to 50 gram of Prom and Biopotash, around 100 gram of the Neem cake, and around 20 to 25 gram of rock phosphate or gypsum. Plus we are going to add some mycorrhiza also into this. So this will nourish our pot well. Once we add the fertilizer, then we'll dig it and mix it well. Then we'll start planting of the potato into this. So first the spreading of the manure. So friends, now you can see that our grow bags are ready. We have added all the manure, cultivated well, loosen the soil enough and level it. And now it is time to sow the potato seed. Now before sowing, we must ensure the drip irrigation. So we are putting 2 drippers in this bag. Now these are the bags with 2 feet diameter. So we are going to put medium size of 4 seeds into the each bag. So that is around 50-60 gram. If you have seeds smaller than this, around 30-40 gram, you may put 5 to 6 seeds. And if you have seeds bigger size like 80 grams, you can put only 3 or 2 seeds per bag. This is good enough quantity for the good amount of the harvest from the bags. Now here the seeds are ready with the treatment. The grow bags are ready with the treatment. So first we will place the seeds all around. So here we are going to put it in a diamond shape, and the next bag we are going to put it into square shape. This will ensure all the plants having enough space to harvest the sunlight. Now sowing is very simple. Now if your potato is around 2 to 3 inch, around 3 to 4 centimeter, then you should put this potato around 10 to 12 centimeter deep into the soil. If your potato is big, you can put further down. If your potato seed is small, you can sow it shallow. So here this is around 4 to 5 centimeter. So we need to put it around 12 centimeter down. So around 5 inch. So we are digging the hole around 5 to 6 inch and then place the potato. While placing the potato, we must ensure that all the sprouted part should remain in the top position. And this is the part where the sprout is not there. This is going on the below. So this is the care we should take at the time of sowing. This will ensure easy come out of this all the sprout as the stem. And we simply need to cover it with the soil. So this completes our sowing work. Now about the watering. So you can see that we have pre-watered all the bags and bring it to the Vapsa condition. At this condition, we can sow the seeds. You can also sow into dry and give it the water. But this condition is the best for it. Now, once this is in a Vapsa condition, we must not water them until all the sprouts come out. That is around 25 days. So first 25 days, we should not give any water to this potato. This will make the good condition for the sprout as well as the setting of the new tuber. Once all the sprouts are there, you can start light watering throughout the season. Make sure you ensure that only give moisture the soil, not give any excess water to the potato. If you give excess water, then instead of potato, only the vine will grow bigger and your tuber will grow smaller. So you must take care to give the water in a smallest amount just to thrive the plant. So this is the care we should take and grow potato into your grow bag successfully. So friends, how do you like my process of growing potato into grow bag in your home garden? Please write me back into the comment box. And if you also are planning to grow potato this season for your home consumption, then prepare the grow bag like this and sow the potato. Don't forget to sprout it before sowing and treat it. This will give you a good amount of the harvest for your fresh consumption. Happy growing!